welcome back to my channel. Today I have got for you my April Birchbox. I was so excited to see this arrive in my post yesterday, and look how pretty the box is. As you may be able to see from the bit on the front just here, this month's box is in collaboration with Cath Kidston, and I couldn't be more happy. I absolutely love Cath Kidston. If I could have everything in the shop, then I definitely would buy it, and it's definitely a dangerous place for me to go by when I go shopping. So really excited to see this, and I will definitely be keeping this box. I think this pattern is absolutely gorgeous, and the box is just beautiful. So I will be adding this to my collection. They're very handy for storage. I actually use quite a lot of them to store little tea light candles in the drawer, so it looks pretty and is also very good for storage as well. So yes, let's get going and I'll show you what's inside the box. Don't forget, if you enjoyed this video, to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. So let's get going. So as I said at the beginning, this is in collaboration with Cath Kidston. So we've got a few little cards inside. So to celebrate the 25th year of Cath Kidston, they've given us a 15% off when you spend £35 in store. So we've got a little voucher code there, which is very cool, and it's got some different things on the back there as well, some examples, and the limited edition 25th birthday collection. So it's got some really cool stuff on there. I absolutely love the look of this bag. It looks really, really cool. So let's show you what's inside the box. So we've got my little booklet as always. So this is the April batch. It says, "Hello Birchboxers. This month we've teamed up with the iconic British brand Cath Kidston to celebrate their 25th birthday. Yes, they've been cheering up people for the past quarter of a century, so we couldn't think of a better partners to bring a little sunshine to your month. Amongst your 5 beauty treats, you'll find something to add a little glow to your skin and your day, and a very special limited edition treat." So yeah, really excited to get going with this box. So I'll show you the Cath Kidston item that we have got here, and this is the Cath Kidston hand cream. So this is it just here. I really like these hand creams. They're really great for travel size, and it smells fabulous. I get a bit of hint of marzipan to begin with, but then you get sort of like a floral fruity note. So this is a fragrance with notes of jasmine and orange flower, which sounds absolutely fab. So let's see what this says. RRP is £2.50 for the full size item, but I believe this one is the full size, but I'm not 100%. The image does pretty much look the same, but it's possible it's just the same style packaging, just a little bit bigger. Along with the usual suspects found in your handbag, keys, mobile phone or receipts, we recommend saving a spot for this hand cream. Not only is the exclusive birthday rose packaging as pretty as a picture, but the floral lotion inside will leave your skin feeling silky, soft and smooth. So it's limited edition packaging, that's nice. So yeah, I really like the packaging on this. I love that kind of floral, very vintage, old school look to things, which is why I love the ranges so much. But yeah, this is really nice. I've given this a go. It makes my hands feel really soft, so I absolutely love these. I have got some rose ones of this before, so I do know what the hand creams are like, and I do really like this one. But yeah, I've given this one a go, as with almost all of the other items as well, so I can give you my true opinion. And yeah, I really enjoy using this one, and I love the size of it. It's definitely handbag friendly, which is great. Moving on, we have got the item that was the teaser from last time, and it's the Model Co baked highlighter. Now it comes in the tiniest box in the world. It's absolutely tiny, so this is definitely a sample size, and it is this big. So the picture that we were shown was definitely deceptive in the fact that it looked a lot bigger than it was, but the picture was probably of the full size item, not the sample, which makes sense. But you know, you were expecting something slightly bigger than a minstrel, so or a giant Smartie, but you know, it's still an item, and I'm really happy to give it a go. And the colour, I must say, inside is absolutely fab. Look at the colour of that, it looks so cool. I've chosen the more orangey one. There was a sort of a white one with a pink sort of ripple through it, so you can see it on the booklet just here. I've chosen this one, and this was the other shade here. So it says here, baked goodies are almost always a mood brightener. Homemade cookies and banana bread, we're looking at you. Likewise, this treat baked is an instant complexion illuminator. Just a swirl, a fluffy brush across the marbled powder and sweep over your cheekbones for that lit from within glow. So I've tried this one on today. I must admit, I forgot to try it on until after I'd put on some other ones, so it's not showing as much as I would like to show, but I have got a glow there going, and let's try and do a bit on the back of my hand. So it's really nice, like a subtle glow. I put that on the back of my hand, so I don't know whether you can see it there. It's really difficult to see, but there's a slight shimmer just here where I've put it on, so it's definitely a glow within kind of look. It's not a sort of bang pow in your face, but that's actually what I like about highlighters. I would rather that they were more of a subtle glow within than the pop of colour in your face, like I've drawn it on with a glitter liner or something. But yeah, I really like the colour of that. Slightly disappointed with the size, but you know what, it's good for a trial, and there's enough in there to give me a good go of it. It will last quite a while, so yeah, really happy with that. Next up we have got this one here. Now I saw this on a spoiler on social media, so I knew this one was coming. This is the Fill and Tame Brow Gel, Nourishing Tinted Brow Gel. I've not used a brow gel before, and this looks really tiny, so I didn't know what to expect or what I'm supposed to do with it. So it says here, Botanic Beauty Fill and Tame Brow Gel in blonde, brunette or black. What colour have we got here? Ah, brunette. Handy, because that's pretty much me. I'm not quite dark, but have bits of blonde and stuff, so we'll see. I think it's pretty good match, but we'll see. I've got it on today, so make your own judgment as to whether you think it matches. I think it matches quite well with my hair colour, so I'm quite pleased with that. It says here, show unruly brow hairs who's boss with this easy to use formula. Starting at the inner edge of your brow and moving outwards, use short strokes to define and shape with the precision tip brush. The vegan formula is enriched with nourishing aloe leaf extract and glycerin, so there's no risk of crunchy or sticky brow hairs. Now that appeals to me. I don't like crusty brows, and I'm pretty sure nobody else does either, but I really like the fact that it's not going to go like that. It was actually really easy to apply. If I show you the little wand inside, it's like a mascara wand, so you can see there it's really tiny, but it's got the same idea with the little bristles on it, and it was actually really easy to apply it, and I didn't really have too many problems, and I think it looks okay. So yeah, really happy with that, and I'll keep giving this one a go. I think it's got time to tell as to whether it's going to be a really good one, as to how long it's going to stay on there, because I've only just put it on, but we'll see. But so far things are looking good, so I'm happy with this one. Next up we have got this one here. This is the only one that I haven't tried because I wanted to show you the packaging. I'm pretty sure, as usual, I will rip it badly if I open this. So this is the Monoi Coconut Oil. Moisturizes and revitalizes all hair types. Nourishing deep conditioner. So it looks like this. I thought the packaging was really cute. I like this colour green. Yeah, this is really nice. It feels like there's quite a lot in there actually. The sachet is actually, it's full with stuff in there, so you know how it is with conditioner, you never use the right amount that you're supposed to, so I think that having this much in there is probably a good thing. So, and it's got coconut, and I love coconut hair scented things, which is great. So this is the Husk Coconut Nourishing Deep Conditioner. You might not have time for that holiday, but you doesn't mean you can't treat your hair to one. This tropical smelling treatment revitalizes and moisturizes all hair types in just 10 minutes. Massage into clean wet hair a couple of times a week to bring some coconut infused rejuvenation to top. So that sounds absolutely fabulous. I definitely need to give my hair some care, and I will definitely be giving this one a go, so hopefully it will be great. You never know, if it is really good it might turn up in my favourites of the month, you never know. But yeah, really like the look of this one, and I love the sound of it as well, so I definitely need to give my hair some TLC, so this is perfect for that. And last up we have got an item from Polar. We've had an item from them before, and it looks like this. This is the Ice Pure Gentle Scrub with Arctic Cotton. If you avoid exfoliation for fear of irritating your skin, then it's time to think again. This ultra gentle formula contains moisturizing Arctic cotton to smooth and soften even the most sensitive of skin types. Just massage into wet skin using light circular motions and rinse away with warm water. I've given this one a go. It smells really interesting. It smells very nostalgic. It's got a hint of like a spa, but also like aftershave from like the 90s. It's definitely got that sort of scent to it, which I think is quite common with a lot of spa like things. They do have that weird smell in it that was very big then, so it does it's got some old school vibes to it, but I do like it, and it works quite well. I've given it a go, and my skin did feel really nice and soft, and it was feeling good, so I think a few tries of this and I may be able to say whether it was definitely brilliant or not, but so far things are looking good. I like this. And yeah, it's not too bad. You do feel the grains in it, so you know it's definitely got something in there to take that layer of skin off, but I do think it's really good. So yeah, really happy with that. And I did like my other polar item, so hopefully I will like this one just as much. So the prices for the items, the highlighter here, this was RRP for £24. The brow gel is £8.60, which is a bit of a weird price, but you know, they do what they do. The hand cream from Cath Kidston is £2.50. The coconut oil conditioner is £2.49, and the polar is the £23.50. So yeah, very nice items, and the full sizes definitely outweigh the box price, which is amazing. And next month we have the May sneak peek, so choose your Duce Luscious Lip Stain in Steaming Red or Amber Rose. Wave goodbye to lips touch-ups and hello to long-lasting colour with this makeup treat. The high coverage pigment glides on smoothly for a comfortable all-day matte finish. Keep an eye on your inbox to choose your favourite shade. So you can see on here we've got two different shades to choose from. So we've got a red one and a pink one. I'm thinking I might go for the pink one. You never know. And we've also got a competition on the back as well to win a Cath Kidston hamper. So I will definitely be entering that, because any chance to get Cath Kidston items, then I am definitely up for it. So guys, that's what's been in my April Birchbox, and in combination with Cath Kidston. I've really enjoyed this box. I absolutely love the design of the box, and the items inside are really different, and I'm excited to keep giving them a go. But so far, good things are coming, and I'm really enjoying using them so far. So don't forget, if you've enjoyed this video, to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you very soon with a new video. And look out for next month's box, because that will be coming soon. Bye!